No garden? No problem. Today, on Green Life, I'll show you how to grow 5 delicious, easy-to-grow vegetables right at home, even if all you have is a balcony or a windowsill. These are perfect for beginners, healthy, and super budget-friendly. Let's dig in. First up, cherry tomatoes. Tiny, sweet, and perfect for containers. These little gems are a favorite for home gardeners because they're easy to grow and incredibly rewarding, even if you're short on space. All you need is a sunny spot with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Tomatoes absolutely love the sun, and the more light they get, the better they'll produce. A balcony, patio, or bright windowsill works great. Even a small fire escape or doorstep can become a mini tomato garden with the right container. Start with seeds or young seedlings from a nursery. If you're new to gardening, seedlings are the easiest way to get started and will give you a head start on the season. Use a pot at least 5 gallons in size with drainage holes. Bigger pots mean more room for roots and less frequent watering. Fill with quality potting mix for vegetables. Avoid using garden soil, which can be too heavy and may not drain well in containers. Bury part of the stem when planting. Tomatoes grow roots along the stem for extra strength. This helps your plant develop a sturdy root system and stand up to wind or heavy fruit. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Consistent moisture is key, but don't let the pot sit in water. In hot weather, you may need to water daily. Pots dry out faster than garden beds, especially in full sun or on breezy balconies. Support your plant with a stake or small tomato cage as it grows. This keeps the branches upright and prevents fruit from touching the soil, which can cause rot. Feed with organic vegetable fertilizer every few weeks for best results. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, so regular nutrition helps them thrive and produce lots of fruit. Watch for pests. Healthy plants resist most problems, but a quick spray of soapy water can help if needed. Check leaves regularly for signs of trouble like holes or sticky residue. Harvest when tomatoes are bright red, yellow, or orange and slightly soft. Twist gently to pick. Picking regularly encourages more fruit to ripen. The more you harvest, the more your plant will produce. Cherry tomatoes often keep going all summer long, giving you handfuls every few days. There's nothing like the taste of a sun-warmed tomato you grew yourself. The flavor is unbeatable, sweet, juicy, and bursting with summer. Even one plant can give you a steady supply all season. You'll be surprised how much fruit a single healthy plant can produce in a pot. Container tomatoes are easy, productive, and perfect for small spaces. They're ideal for apartment dwellers, renters, or anyone with limited outdoor space. Try different varieties for a colorful harvest. There are red, yellow, orange, and even purple cherry tomatoes to brighten up your garden and your plate. Enjoy them fresh in salads, snacks, or straight from the vine. They're also delicious roasted, tossed with pasta, or added to sandwiches. Growing tomatoes in pots is a simple way to bring summer flavor to your home. It's a fun project for kids and adults alike, and you'll love the results. No yard? No problem. Just sunshine, soil, and a little care. You can even grow cherry tomatoes indoors if you have a bright window. You'll be amazed at how much you can grow in a small space. With just a few pots, you can create a mini garden oasis right outside your door. Start with one plant and see how rewarding it can be. Watching your tomatoes ripen day by day is a joy in itself. Fresh tomatoes right at your fingertips. You'll never want to go back to store-bought once you've tasted your own. Give it a try, you won't regret it. Growing cherry tomatoes in pots is easy, fun, and delicious. Let's move on to our next easy veggie. Next, let's talk lettuce. Quick, crunchy, and perfect for shallow containers. Lettuce is one of the easiest and most rewarding crops you can grow, even if you're short on space or new to gardening. Lettuce has shallow roots, so window boxes or small pots work well. You don't need deep planters, just a few inches of soil is enough for a healthy crop. It prefers morning sun and some afternoon shade, especially in hot weather. Too much direct sun can make it bolt, so a little protection helps. Sow seeds directly in your container. You can scatter them evenly or plant in neat rows depending on your style. Choose cut-and-come-again varieties for continuous harvest. These types let you pick leaves as you need them, and the plant keeps producing. Sprinkle seeds thinly, cover lightly with soil, and keep the soil moist. Consistent moisture is important for even germination and tender leaves. Good drainage is key. Avoid soggy soil. Make sure your container has holes at the bottom so excess water can escape. When seedlings appear, thin them out so each plant has space to grow. Crowded lettuce won't develop those nice full leaves. Water regularly. Lettuce dries out quickly in small pots. Check the soil daily, especially on warm days, to keep your plants happy. Harvest outer leaves when they're a few inches long, leaving the center to regrow. This way, you'll enjoy a steady supply of fresh greens. Snip with scissors and enjoy fresh greens for weeks. There's nothing like the taste of lettuce picked just minutes before your meal. Lettuce is low maintenance and grows fast, perfect for beginners. It's a great way to build your gardening confidence and see quick results. Even a sunny kitchen windowsill can become your salad garden. You don't need a yard, just a bright spot and a little care. Add a touch of green to your meals and your home. Homegrown lettuce brings freshness and color to any space. Growing lettuce is a confidence booster for new gardeners. Watching your plants thrive is both satisfying and inspiring. Crisp, homegrown leaves are just a snip away. You'll be amazed at the flavor and texture compared to store-bought. Try it once and you'll never want store-bought again. The difference is truly remarkable. Ready for another easy win? Let's keep going and discover what else you can grow in small spaces. Here's a bit of kitchen magic. Regrow green onions from scraps. Save the white root ends when you use store-bought green onions. Place them root side down in a glass with just enough water to cover the roots. Set on a sunny windowsill and change the water every couple of days. In just days you'll see new green shoots. Snip what you need, leaving the base in water to regrow. You can get 2 or 3 harvests from each set of roots. When growth slows, compost them or plant in soil for a longer life. This method is nearly free, reduces food waste, and gives you a steady supply of fresh flavor. It's a fun, hands-on way to connect with your food. Kids love watching the regrowth process. No soil, no fuss, just fresh green onions on demand. Try it once and you'll always have green onions handy. Let's move to another speedy green. Spinach is a nutrient-packed green that thrives in containers, especially in cool weather. It's one of the easiest leafy vegetables to grow at home, making it a fantastic choice for both new and experienced gardeners. Whether you have a balcony, patio, or just a sunny windowsill, spinach adapts well to small spaces. It prefers 3 to 6 hours of sunlight and protection from harsh afternoon sun. Morning sun is ideal, while a bit of shade in the hottest part of the day helps prevent wilting and bolting. Sow seeds directly in a pot at least 6 inches deep, using quality potting mix. Good drainage is important, so make sure your container has holes at the bottom. Plant seeds 1/2 inch deep and 1 inch apart, thin seedlings to give each plant space. Crowded plants won't grow as vigorously, so don't skip this step. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Water when the top inch feels dry. Consistent moisture helps spinach grow tender, lush leaves. Mulch helps retain moisture and keeps roots cool. A thin layer of straw or shredded leaves works well and also helps reduce weeds. Spinach grows fast. You can harvest leaves in 4 to 6 weeks. Watch as your plants quickly fill out, providing a steady supply of fresh greens. Pick outer leaves and let the center keep growing for a longer harvest. This way, you'll enjoy multiple pickings from the same plant. Use thinnings as microgreens in salads. These tiny greens are packed with flavor and nutrients. Spinach is perfect for salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes. Its mild taste blends well with many recipes, making it a kitchen staple. Homegrown spinach is more tender and flavorful than store-bought. You'll notice the difference in freshness and taste right away. It's easy, quick, and rewarding, even for beginners. Kids love watching spinach sprout and grow, making it a fun family project. Grow it in spring or fall for best results. Spinach prefers cooler temperatures and can even tolerate light frosts. A small pot can yield plenty of greens. Even limited space can provide you with a generous harvest. Enjoy fresh spinach right from your balcony or windowsill. There's nothing like picking your own greens moments before a meal. Try it once and you'll want to grow it every season. Spinach is a reliable crop that keeps on giving. Spinach proves you don't need a garden for a healthy harvest. With just a pot and a little care, you can enjoy homegrown greens anywhere. Now let's add some color with peppers. Bell peppers bring color and crunch to your container garden. They need 6 to 8 hours of direct sun and warmth to thrive. Start with young plants from a nursery for faster results. Use a 5-gallon pot with drainage and fill with quality potting mix. Plant at the same depth as in the nursery pot, water well, and give each plant space for airflow. Water consistently. Keep soil evenly moist, especially when fruiting. Feed with organic fertilizer every few weeks for healthy growth. Support heavy branches with a stake or small cage. Watch for pests and treat with soapy water if needed. Harvest peppers when they reach your desired color, green, red, yellow, or orange. The more you pick, the more the plant produces. Homegrown peppers are sweeter and more flavorful than store-bought. Even one plant can yield a surprising amount. Perfect for small spaces and beginner gardeners. Enjoy the satisfaction of picking your own peppers. let's wrap up your homegrown journey. There you have it, 5 easy veggies you can grow at home, no garden required. Start small, pick one to try this week and see how rewarding it is to harvest your own food. Share in the comments which veggie you'll grow first, and download our handy checklist below. Tag us in your photos and stories, we love seeing your progress. Every sprout is a victory, and every harvest is a win. Happy growing, and remember, a little green goes a long way. You've got this, let's see what you can grow.